Good morning, Kinetic Coders. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do the basic Hello World program in Python. So let's get started. I am using Linux because I like using that for coding, but I will make a video on how to install Python on Windows and Mac. So to start, you're going to open up a terminal. I'll explain how to do this on Windows too in the next episode. But just to start, you're going to check your version. If you have an older version of Linux, it's best to start out by typing in Python --version. Sorry, I spelled it wrong. Version. Okay. This will tell you your version. But because I do not have Python, and I have Python 3, I'm going to type in Python 3. No. Python 3 --version. And I have Python 3.6.7. If you do not have this, you will type in sudo apt install Python 3. But I don't need to do that because I already have it installed. So what you're going to do is type in Python 3 once you have it, and it'll open up the shell. So inside of the shell, you can type in Python commands. The most basic Python command is print. So what you'll do is type in print, and then open, close, and inside you'll add quotes. Whatever you want to write, for example, for me is hello world, that's going to go inside of them. So, there, hello world. Also, you can create variables. For example, I'll create a variable called hello and make that value hello world. So what I can do with this is this will allow me to say print hello with no quotes because a variable does not require quotes. Then you press enter and boom, hello world. So now I'm going to explain how to run this as a file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, I'm pretty sure it's exit open close. And now I'm out of that. So I'll just clear everything up. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is type in nano because that's my favorite text editor. But if you do not have this installed, you can just type in get it. Then you type in your text editor and then the name of the file. So I'll do hello.py. So now I'm editing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this print hello world. Done. So now if I save this by doing Control X, Y, and then enter. Now if I do Python 3 hello.py. So what that's going to do is run hello.py through Python 3. And look, it caught my error. So what you're going to do is, this is a good example of troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is when you fix errors in your code. Look, I forgot a quote. So what I'm going to do is go back into my program and add that quote back in. Now let's save it again. Done. So now if I do Python 3 hello.py, it says hello world. Now I'm going to edit this and make variables. So nano hello.py. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say up here hello equals hello world. There. So now I can just type in print hello. Let's save that. And now I can do Python 3 hello.py. Done. Hello world. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped. Bye!